Hello and greetings everyone. As you can tell, I'm getting ready for the airsoft season starting. I got me, I don't know if you can see, I got me badges on. I got my plate carrier on. My plate carrier. Get all my stuff ready, busy getting my guns cleaned off. All my airsoft guns should be ready. Well, they're ready now. I'm just going to oil them, WD-40 them, get me new AK-47 on Wednesday. So that should be good. I'll be doing a little review of that when that happens. And all the airsoft sites should be open by July. Maybe it's the end of July. But that gives you time. It gives 6 weeks to get ready. Start the fitness program, start getting out walking, start getting your kit together. We're going to be out in 6 weeks. Can't wait. It's going to be loads of fun. But don't forget, stay safe. Toodles, everyone.